you ready to transform the way you learn? Are you ready to master any subject in record time? Then welcome to Bevinzey, your AI-powered learning platform. This is Dr. Dankwa. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use one of the most powerful tools in Bevinzey, and that is the audio transcription module. Now imagine you're in a lecture and the professor is speaking at the speed of light, and when you're done with the class, you're just wondering what are the key points, and I wish I could get some questions that will help me really validate whether I understand the concept that was just taught. That is where the Bevinzey audio transcription module becomes very handy. So let's dive right into the platform to see how you could use it to give yourself an advantage in your academic career. So what you want to do is go to Bevinzey and then navigate to services, and the audio transcription module is only available in the premium package. So you want to click on the audio transcription and you'll be brought to this nice sleek interface. Now what you want to do is upload your audio recording, and there are two ways you could do that. You could click on the choose file and it's going to bring up the interface, and then you can just click on either of your videos to upload it, or you can simply drag and drop. So you could go ahead and open your folder, and in here just drag the audio and it's been loaded. So what you want to do now is click on the generate and just let the Bevinzey AI do its magic. And so now you have the transcript, and then you could also do a number of things with the transcript even within the Bevinzey platform. You could export it as a text, Word, or PDF. So let's export it as a PDF. So basically you can take the transcript and then archive it in your learning repository so that you can refer to it as needed. Now, if you need to format it, then the best option would be to download it as a Word document, and then you can make the edits. Now, even within the platform, how can you really maximize this transcript? What you want to do is click on the copy, and then what you can do is you could go to the services, and let's say you are really curious about knowing what the key points are. You simply go to summarize text to key points, and then you put the transcript because you copied it from there, just paste it here. And of course, if you want to delete it, just click on this, but you can paste the content there and then just click generate, and it should give you the summary, give you the key points, the high points. So there you have the summary. So basically the audio transcription module is giving you the power to turn any audio resource into a readable format that you can review at your own pace. And also within the platform itself, you could take that content, summarize the text to key points, or even develop some questions. So let's see what it would be like if you took the same content and then go to the text to questions module and then paste the content in here. And let's say you wanted to generate 5 multiple choice questions. So you click on generate. It's going to take the audio recording, which is now a transcript, and now we are going to generate 5 multiple choice questions that will help us really assess whether we understand the content. And so there you have the 5 questions. Now, once again, if you need a refresh on how to use the text to questions module, I'll put a link to that video tutorial in the description, and I'll link into the cards as well. But here, what you'll do is these are the questions. If you want to see the answers, just click on this icon right here. That'll give it answers to each question. And so you could export this as a PDF, as a Word document, or as a text file. So just click on export. And so now what you've done is you, within a few minutes, have taken the audio recording, you have a summary, and then you've generated questions that you could use in your studying. Now, this is an awesome workflow that will really help you cut down the time it takes to process the material that you need to study. And so now the utility of Bevinzey's audio transcription module is that you're not just listening to information. You can now take that information, have it transcribed, interact with it, engage with it, and more importantly, use the tools within the Bevinzey to generate key points from the transcript, to generate different types of questions from the transcript. And so you are developing tools that will help you master the content. So why wait? Start your journey with Bevinzey today and transform the way you learn.